Find overwritten dimensions. Manually overwritten dimensions on drawings can result in very high costs, but it is quite easy to check a drawing for manual dimensions. And with that, welcome to Tips and Tricks on LearnNX. For catalog drawings, it is necessary to overwrite the dimensions and insert variables. This way, the customer can find the dimensions for all sizes according to a table. In the description you will find the link to the video on how to create such catalog drawings, also known as table drawings. But there are also cases in which the measurement of a drawing has simply been overwritten, without changing the 3D model. The model and the dimensioning are not connected to each other. If the 3D model is now sent to the manufacturer, who uses the 3D data to program the machine for production, the drama takes its course. However, it is possible to check the drawing, to see whether dimensions have been overwritten. Under Menu, Information, Other, Object Specific, select the option Dimensions with manual text. All overwritten dimensions are now highlighted. The dimensions can now be selected, and under Settings, Text, Format, the Override Dimension Text option can be disabled again. This command should not be missing from the Analysis tab. Type Object Specific in the search field. Click the magnifying glass, and then select Add to Ribbon Bar, Analysis. Everything is now okay in this drawing. And that brings us to the end of this tips and tricks video. And what topic would you like to suggest for tips and tricks? Just drop me an email at info@learnnx.com.